Howdy, welcome to Shop Time. And today we're going to be working on our GMT 800 from General Motors. So the GMT 800 actually has multiple platforms in it, and it runs from 1999 to 2006. And there are many who say that it is the absolute best of the General Motors production line of their pickup and SUVs. Within the GMT 800 series, it includes Chevrolet, GMC, and of course, Cadillac. And we have multiple different vehicles that we can choose from, the primary ones being Silverados, Sierras, and of course we have the Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, and Escalades in all their different flavors within those series. So one of the things that we have noticed with our Yukon is the exit lights that are underneath the mirrors aren't very bright. So we're actually going to switch that out for this Luyed brand of LEDs. These Luyed bulbs can work with models 569, 578, 211-2, and 212-2. There are two bulbs that are included with the kit with 640 lumens per light bulb. These bulbs are 1.6 inches long or 41 millimeters in total length. I went with the Xeon white color. So you can see here we have our screwdriver. We're going to push it up in here and we're going to get this side out. And then what we're going to do is you can just slowly work around the side and get the rest of the assembly to come out. And then once you have it out, you'll see that there's two spade connectors. We go ahead and remove our two spade connectors that are on here. And I'm gonna bend them to where you can tell which is which. And now all we have to do is remove our Phillips screws so that we can pull our bulb out of here and replace it. So to get into this, we're going to have to remove these two Phillips screws. I'm just going to use my really old Craftsman #1 Phillips. And we're simply going to pull out our old light. And all I'm doing is I'm separating the copper and I'm pulling the glass tube out. And now we're going to take our LED and we're going to put it in its place. Now we're going to take the entire assembly and put it back within the case, put in our two screws and screw it all back together. So now we're just going to simply put it back in and we are going to repeat our disassembly procedure. So we're just going to put our spade connectors on, making sure that they are fully seated. And now we're ready to work the assembly back up in to the mirror. And we need to make sure that we put our rear in first and it's pushed all the way back. And then we can close up the entire thing. Now we can hit our unlock key and you can see just how stinking bright that is. Especially whenever we compare it to the other side. So on this side, we're going to repeat the same procedure. So thank you for joining me today with Shop Time and working on my GMT 800. If you have any questions about the work that we did, please be sure to leave it down in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching.